Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutorial Web Design. Today we will learn about the clipping mask in Photoshop. First you need to understand what do you mean by clipping mask. So clipping mask means to clip layer in another layer. For example, this is a layer and in this layer I have this shape, and when you add image into this shape, this is called the clipping mask. It is also called the process of fit layers into any shape, fit layer into any shape. Like I have this layer ellipse and in this I have fit this image. This is called, this you can do with the clipping mask. So now how you can create this, how you can do this clipping mask. Now in this tutorial I will tell you how you can put image into any type of shape, which is called the clipping mask. So let's switch off these layers so that I can create one shape for you. Now create one shape. Like I am adding one shape here. This is the shape. Now take one image from the internet. I normally use pexels.com for the images. From here you can download free images. So I am taking this image, click here, right click, copy image. The image which you want to fit in this shape, this image on the top of the shape layer, like add it, for example. So keep this image on the top and the shape image at the bottom. Put this image here and go to layer and create clipping mask. Layer, create clipping mask. This image will automatically be fit into the shape. Now you can apply other features like drop shadow, stroke and other things to the shape, not to the image, to the shape. Like this is the shape. Go to layer, layer style and stroke. See this. Stroke can be inside or stroke can be outside. You can increase or decrease the opacity. You can add drop shadow. Now question is, now you have learned how to apply this clipping mask. Now question is where you can use this clipping mask in your creatives. I will tell you. For example, you want to create a banner. For a banner, I am taking rectangle. Take size 250, or let's keep it bigger, 500 by 500. Okay. Give it a stroke, layer, layer style, stroke. For example, you want to create a banner, travel banner. Now go to image, search for travel, copy. Now this is the rectangle image. Now your image should be on the top of this rectangle shape. Go to edit, paste. See this. This is on the top and this is at the bottom. Now apply the same technique. Go to layer and create clipping mask. Put this image here. Go to image, adjustment and color levels. Okay, now you can add your text here, like travel with us. This is your typography style. Travel with us. Keep it bold and uppercase. All text uppercase. Bold it. And below the text layer, create one box. Reduce the alpha a little bit. change the color of the text and make high contrast, and you can pick the color from the banner itself, from the image itself. Okay, travel with us, increase the font size, line height, keep it center line. You can change the text color to blue or something else. Travel with us. Here you can put your logo. I am creating this dummy logo. Apply color to this shape. And put some dummy text here, 2, 3, 4 lines, and at the bottom there is one call to action. Call to action should be in a high contrast. Okay, like high contrast means if you are using dark background, then the text should be with the light color. Like click here, change to white, change this to uppercase, bold, and see, now your banner is ready. This you can use in your Google AdSense, Google advertisement, or Instagram, or in Facebook. See how easy it is to make a banner with just a simple clipping mask effect. So friends, if you like my video, subscribe my channel so that I can share more videos related to this clipping mask. Thank you very much.